Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
O my Lord! However, I am more seeking your forgiveness, and your mercy is far greater than my sins. My Lord, speak the truth to my tongue, and be kind to my heart, and purify my character.
Daughter, finish your prayers that I have some necessary work.
All right, mother.
Daughter, you know that I have become very weak and I feel that I do some mistakes during the prayer, and I want you to go to the daughter of the messenger of God and ask her the answers to my questions. I want to satisfy myself whether my prayers is right or wrong.
Oh mother, do you have any other questions?
Yes, daughter, there are some more questions to ask.
Mother, you have too many questions. What if Bibi Fatima Zahra got tired of answering these questions, or if she did not answer these questions?
Don't worry, daughter. To this day no one has returned from her house empty-handed. The daughter of the messenger of God does not disappoint anyone, and that family is very generous.
Hello sister.
Hello sister.
Where are you going in such a hurry?
I am going to visit my loved one. I have heard that she is not well.
Blessings be upon you that you are going to visit her. I will also pray for her recovery. The Prophet said that when a person goes to visit a sick person and until he returns, a palace is made for him in paradise.
Peace be upon you. Peace be upon you too. Oh brother, accept this small gift from me. Good.
Do you recognize them?
No, I do not know.
Goodbye.
May God protect you.
Who is it?
I am a Muslim. I have come to ask some questions from the daughter of the Messenger of God.
Please be patient for a while, so that I can get permission from her. Oh Fatima Zahra, someone has come to see you.
Tell her to come inside. What can I do for you?
Oh Fatima Zahra, I have an old mother and there are some mistakes in her prayers. I am sent to you to ask you the answers to her questions.
Ask whatever questions you have.
Oh Fatima Zahra, I will not take much of your time. If there is any other question, should I ask it too?
If a person suggests a job to someone, for example, if he wants someone to carry his weight to a certain height and in return for this job he is given 10,000 dinars, then he will feel tired in return for this job. Will he?
No, O daughter of the Prophet.
I seek more reward from Allah for the answer to every question, and I do not feel tired at all. I have heard from my father that on the day of resurrection, the scholars of Islam will be present before Allah, and as per their knowledge, and as per the efforts to seek knowledge, and for the providing guidance to the people, will ask Allah to be rewarded.